Greetings, Mr. Andrew, and welcome to WLA Singapore.
Hello, welcome. It's a pleasure to be here. I really enjoy the place and this organization, and I'm very pleased to be here.
Thank you very much. We are pleased as well, and we value the fact that you are one of our founding partners rather. And what made you to join the organization in this capacity?
The need of cooperation, in short, because what we are doing in Poland is to providing legal services for the companies who are engaged somehow in the international trade. So sometimes we are unable to provide them high-level legal service, especially when it comes to the foreign jurisdictions, and most of our clients are doing business with Asia, with China, India, Vietnam, and Japan, and therefore we need support. And in the exchange, we may offer similar support in Europe because our law office is located in Krakow, Poland. Poland is quite pleasant place to live for living right now, and we got quite a lot of investments there. Also, because we act on the united EU market, our clients comes from different EU countries. So we work for the Czech companies, German, even Ukraine. However, Ukraine is not the member of the EU, but we are very close. So especially after the war, many Ukrainian businesses moved to Poland, and we help them to carry business on the regular basis. So I think that in terms of this new alliance, I think that there is still space for the new legal alliances in the market. Most of the existing networks, as far as I know, limits its activity, in fact, only to the exchange of the referrals. Mm-hmm. But I believe that we may go a little bit further and build a recognizable brand on the more standardized basis. So we may avoid internal competition between the members.
Of course.
We may achieve synergy effect by adding our powers together. So I think that such modern alliance may compete effectively with the large international law offices, which are sometimes too expensive for the clients who are medium-sized companies. And according to our experience, this is so because some of our clients were forced to ask for help the multinational legal offices. Mm-hmm. It was extremely expensive for them and not necessarily efficient. So the advantage of such alliances like One Global is that it will associate law firms which acts on the local market and yes. knows local constraints, local circumstances. So the idea of acting locally for providing global services is a perfect idea.
That is precisely what I had said in my opening speech yesterday, and also in the keynote address. Suman Arora, one of our partners, said the same thing. However, I feel, sir, the challenge would be for people like you with so much of experience and capacity, but also to take on this challenge because this will bring some kind of administrative pressure. Of course, as a global organization, one will do everything possible to market, to leverage whatever infrastructure we've built in the last few years. However, this would come at the cost of maybe 10% or 5% of, you know, you or anyone else who's a founding partner. So, how do you think you will be able to take on that kind of a challenge?
I understand that at the very beginning there is always high level of enthusiasm for the new ideas. Later on, the emotions will be a little bit calmed down. But okay, I wouldn't overestimate my experience. By making decision to join One Global for me was also to decide to be ready for cooperation and ready to work, because you won't ever have any benefits without the work. So we are ready for working. It depends what will be necessary to do. I have some experiences, for example, in organizing events for the lawyers in my city in Krakow, because I helped to organize. However, I was responsible for this. I've been organizing the conference of the alumni of American Academy Association.
You did mention this yesterday.
Yeah, just as a part of the contribution, because this is the informal group of the alumni of the Texas Legal Academy in Texas, and every year we are meeting in different places in the world. It's just exchange of information and refreshing the friendship and the relationships we made during the studies, but also. We are not afraid of the administrative work. We can provide free legal consultation for the other members. We are ready to spend some time on the organizational works, on the paperwork, if this will be necessary.
Yes, yeah.
But the leadership also will be crucial, because
Yes.
every organization will need a leader who will lead the people, and this would be the hard task.
Absolutely. It is.
In every group, especially when it comes to lawyers, everybody are individuals with the strong personalities. So leading them it wouldn't be easy task. But as far as I saw now, we are on the good tracks for this.
Absolutely.
So my position is just I'm offering my help, my time, and my experience, but it's up to the leaders how to use it. And we may also try to bring new legal officers to the Poland, to the One Global, because we are not working in the vacuum, because we got the contacts, we got the friendly law officers in Germany, in Great Britain, in Spain, in Italy, in the Ukraine, Slovakia, and also in China, because we started our activity from cooperation with the Chinese lawyers. It wasn't official alliance, but we've met with the law office from Beijing, and for about 10 years we've been doing common projects with this. So we had a personal relationship. So we've been visiting them, they've been coming to Poland, so we knew each other, and this is the issue of trust, of course, because you need to know the partner you cooperate with. So I think I got some image of the possible ways of acting in One Global.
Excellent, sir. Excellent. I completely agree with you. You have this background, also an inclination, and you see what One Global is trying to achieve in terms of work. Also is very important. So that's fantastic. For our viewers, sir, if you can kindly tell us about your company. Where is it located? You said Krakow. What exactly does your company do?
Okay. We are in Krakow. It is southern part of Poland, but we operate all over the country because most of our clients requires rather online services. The Poland is not a very big country, so the traveling is not a problem as well. We are medium-sized company as for Polish conditions, but well set up on the market. And we are acting from in this form. We are acting from 2011. We consist of the company is made of 3 partners. So it's me and my two other partners are Miss Ewa Czudek-Grzyb. She specializes in banking law and financial instruments. And my second partner is Anna Pawlikowska, and she specializes in the e-commerce and IT law, and she's got tremendous experiences in the new technologies law because we cooperate. One of our main client is ING Group, and it's not only banking but only services. They provide also services for the business, and most of these additional services are provided online. So we actively participated in the implementation of the mobile application, in the software, in improving digital solution for the businesses. So our company has got the know-how how to prepare such contracts, we know where to pay attention, where are the weak and strong points of such constructions, and this is what Anna Pawlikowska does. My part is international trade, and for example, one of our clients buys ingredients and raw materials in Asia and manufactures foodstuff in Poland and then deliver it to the large chains of distribution. Another client manufactures tools and machines in China and then export it to the United States. I also do some arbitration because apart of having my law firm, I'm an arbitrator and I'm also a chairman of the Council of the Arbitration Court at Krakow Chamber of Commerce. And I'm going to speak today about the process of digitization of our court, because we wanted to speed up the procedure and make it less costful, less expensive. So I got some experience also in arbitration, also in the international trade arbitration, and more or less this is what we do.
Excellent. And how's been your experience? Final question: how's been your experience here in Singapore at the conference?
It started in the taxi when I was going here from the airport, and the taxi driver started to talk to me that living in Singapore is like living in the paradise, that this is the perfect place for living, that the climate is wonderful, that the city is very clean, there is no crime, no mosquitoes. That's what what the taxi driver told me.
No mosquitoes.
And okay, honestly, I was in many places. I saw many posts.
Pests.
But posts. I saw many posts, places. But I'm really astonished by the Singapore. And honestly, when I was going here, I didn't think much about Singapore, because what could be in Singapore? It's just a city. Yeah? There will be some skyscrapers and that's it. Yeah? What's a big deal? But what I saw, it's really astonishing. The modern architecture, the construction, the greenery, exactly.
Even the citizens, the way they behave, and it's very
Yeah,
civic
everybody
here,
are
very
so
cultural.
nice,
Yeah, everybody's so
smiling, nice, kind. Yeah, that's. I really enjoyed. I wish I have no more time for visiting here because tomorrow I need go back. But for sure I will be back, probably with the family, but because I also want to show them.
Okay. Thank you very much, Mr.
Thank you
It's
very
such a
much.
pleasure to
Speak to you.
all the very best.
Thank you. Good luck. Goodbye.
You can just move this.
Ah, it's important not to steal it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, just coffee here and some snacks also.
Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Yes, this is
It's a Mahamantra.
What's the Krishna was the name of the god, right?
yeah.
It's a god. Name of the god and Ram is the god.
Rama.
Yeah, Lord Krishna is it's a chanting mantra.
Yeah, if you want to eat
Bhakti
something,
yoga.
it's here.
It's called Bhakti yoga.
Bhakti yoga.
Meditation.
How many times do you do that?
I'll chant 16 rounds a day.
यार
One round is
एक काम कर यार,
100
ये कितने मिनट का हुआ थोड़ा मेरे को आइडिया दे देगा, टाइम का पता नहीं रहता।